Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. For this month's card kit, I am featuring the Paper Tags stamp set. It's a fun stamp set, but you use what you have at home, okay? This is your kit and you do with it what you want. So I have these two banners from the Nested Essential Dies. I am inking up with, this is my favorite neutral right now, Secret Sea. It's softer than a black, but it's kind of awesome. I don't know. It goes with everything. Really like it. And so that's the ink I'm using. And then the papers that you're going to get in the kit are from Boho Vibes. And the card bases are basic white, but these yellow pieces are Daffodil Delight, which is in the paper. So that's where I got that from. And the one I put right in the middle, but then I'm going to be a little bit avant-garde and do this one a little differently. So obviously you get two cards to make when you shop with me, and these are the cards and you can do with them what you will. So I put dimensionals on the back, and then so this card with the avant-garde piece, I'm going to put it up in the corner. You'll see it in a second. Sorry, I'm off frame here. And then I put the banner as well up in the corner there. So it's a little different, but it's the same make. So with this one, I put straight in the center and then the flag and on the center. So these are the card kits for the month, and for the month of June. Can you imagine that? It's June already, you guys. And thank you so much for watching and commenting and thumbs upping and all of the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.